Did you know that improving circulation in the legs has become a common concern for millions of people who, on a daily basis, suffer from walking pains that affect their feet, knees, and legs? We often overlook the importance of blood flow in our body, but its proper functioning is key to overall health. Any interruption in circulation can trigger problems such as varicose veins, arteriosclerosis, difficulty in healing, numbness, among others. If you have experienced any of these symptoms, don't worry, there is a solution. With the help of certain vitamins and some healthy habits, it is possible to improve circulation. Today I will tell you about 4 essential vitamins for this purpose, but in the end, I will focus on the most powerful of them all, the one that can transform your circulation and give you back the freedom of movement you so desperately need. And best of all, you'll find it in many of the foods we eat that are affordable when it comes to getting it. So sit back and let's explore this wonderful world of vitamins that contribute to your circulatory health, and especially the #1 circulation champion. You'll love it. Legs and feet are particularly vulnerable to poor circulation because of their distance from the heart and their dependence on the vascular system for a constant supply of oxygenated blood. Poor blood circulation affects our feet and legs long before the visible signs appear, such as excessive tiredness, aching limbs, or annoying twinges. This may arise from a natural aging process, or may also be due to various factors of arterial disease, such as peripheral arterial disease, which is a consequence of atherosclerosis, a condition in which the arteries narrow and harden due to plaque buildup, or from venous problems when the veins have difficulty returning blood to the heart. And undoubtedly diabetes, high blood sugar levels over time, can damage blood vessels, making them less efficient at carrying blood and thus contribute to poor circulation. Now, have you ever wondered how I can tell whether or not I have poor circulation? Well, I'll share with you right now 6 warning signs for you to take note and be very vigilant. Number 1. One of the first signs of poor circulation is numbness and tingling in the legs and feet, and it usually occurs when you are sitting or standing for long periods, which can be uncomfortable and sometimes painful. Let's go with number 2. Cold feet, even in warm environments, as blood is responsible for maintaining body temperature, and poor circulation can lead to a persistent feeling of coldness. Number 3. Cramps are another indicator, especially after walking or exercising. This pain, known as intermittent claudication, occurs because the muscles are not getting enough oxygen during physical activity. Number 4. Poor circulation can cause changes in skin color. Legs and feet may turn pale, blue, or reddish due to lack of adequate oxygen. These color changes are more evident in cold climates or after prolonged periods of inactivity. Let's go to number 5. A very common sign that affects not only aesthetics but also health: varicose veins, which can also be called varicose veins or spider veins in the legs, are characterized by their reddish color and spider web shape, are located under the skin but do not protrude, which appear by a bad return in the blood. Although they are more common in older people and women, they can also affect men. They are caused by weak or damaged venous walls and valves, which can cause blood to accumulate or even flow in the opposite direction to where it should, which is the heart, which causes the appearance of varicose veins, increase in size and swell. Number 6. Restless leg syndrome. Some people with poor circulation may experience this syndrome, which is a condition characterized by an uncontrollable need to move the legs, especially when at rest, is a neurological disorder that causes the irresistible need for movement. Often this need is accompanied by uncomfortable or unpleasant sensations in the legs, such as tingling, itching, pulling, or burning sensations. How did you find these warning signs? Do you experience any of them frequently? Let me know in the comments. Now that you know more about the language of poor circulation and its warning signs, how about exploring 4 vitamins that will help you improve this fairly common condition that many people suffer from? Remember that the 4th vitamin is our most recommended, the most powerful, the #1 in importance. We start with vitamin B3, or niacin, also known as the silent hero. This supernutrient strengthens blood vessels and increases blood flow. It is a water-soluble vitamin essential for the proper functioning of the body. Like other B vitamins, vitamin B3 plays an important role in the nervous system, helping to keep it in top condition, as well as taking care of your blood, It also makes your skin glow and look young. Wonderful, don't you think? And that's not all. Vitamin B3, or niacin, lowers bad cholesterol and raises good cholesterol, which is essential for better blood flow. It's also great for your brain and may play a role in protecting against cognitive decline associated with aging. That's why this multitasking supernutrient is nicknamed the silent hero, helping your body feel good and stay healthy. As an important fact, growers, according to one study, vitamin B3 has been found to have positive effects on patients with type 2 diabetes, as it helps improve insulin sensitivity. Interesting, isn't it? You can find this vitamin in foods such as chicken, fish, tuna, eggs, beets, lentils, nuts, seeds, and legumes. It is also found in vitamin-fortified bakery products and cereals. Although its benefits are amazing like all vitamins, you have to be careful not to overdo it. If you overdo it with niacin, your skin can turn red and feel hot for a little while. Unless you want to look like a tomato, ouch, 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 it's best not to overdo it with niacin or vitamin B3. Let's move on to the second vitamin, vitamin C. In addition to strengthening the immune system, vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, helps prevent blood clots by supporting the proper function of the cells that line blood vessels. It is essential for the production of collagen, a structural protein that helps maintain the integrity of blood vessels. Collagen strengthens the walls of arteries and veins, which can help prevent the onset of varicose veins and other circulation-related conditions. By strengthening blood vessels and reducing inflammation, vitamin C can help improve blood flow in the lower extremities. This can be beneficial for people who experience circulatory problems, such as tired legs or restless leg syndrome. This little jewel that does many important things in our body, we can get it in rich foods such as oranges, tangerines, lemons, kiwi, strawberries, papaya. In addition to this, other foods that also provide vitamin C, but in smaller amounts, are lettuce, artichoke, pineapple, banana or plantain, spinach, avocado or avocado, apple, carrot, plums, pumpkin, and beet or beet. It is worth mentioning that to maintain the amount of vitamin C in food, it is important to consume fruits, vegetables, and juices fresh, so you should not leave fruits such as strawberry, papaya, kiwi, or orange without peel in contact with air and exposed to light for a long time, as these factors will decrease the vitamin C present in the food. Did you know? But how much vitamin do we need to consume per day? According to health experts, for example, boys should try to eat around 90 milligrams each day, while girls should aim for around 75 milligrams a day. That's roughly equivalent to one medium-sized orange. Your intake varies according to a person's lifestyle habits, as well as age and gender. Okay, let's go to vitamin number 3. We are already one step away. To know the fourth vitamin, vitamin number 1, the most recommended of all, and also, at the end, I will share with you some recommendations on habits to keep in mind if you are suffering from poor circulation in your legs or feet. Vitamin number 3, vitamin K. Vitamin K is an essential nutrient that our body needs, as it performs various functions in the body. It is essential for the assimilation of proteins responsible for blood clotting, preventing bleeding, gives greater oxygenation of all veins, organs, and arteries of the human body. In addition to preventing the appearance of varicose veins, it also helps prevent other circulatory diseases. It contributes to the health of the arteries by helping to regulate the mineralization of the arteries. One type of vitamin K, vitamin K2, activates a protein called osteocalcin, which helps direct calcium to the bones and teeth, and thus prevents it from being deposited in the arteries, being important for bone strengthening and in the prevention of osteoporosis. It can prevent arteriosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, and improve blood flow in the lower extremities. Phytoquinone, or vitamin K1, is the main form of this vitamin and is found mainly, pay close attention, in dark green vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage, and spinach, as well as some fruits such as kiwi, strawberries, and grapes. In addition to these foods, vitamin K is also found in nuts, chestnuts, pistachios, meats, cheeses, and soybeans. Adults obtain vitamin K from the foods they eat, and one of them is tomatoes, which are used not only to enrich recipes, but also provide many health benefits. The World Health Organization recommends consuming it raw, in cold soups, salads, spread on a slice of bread or in juice, but the ideal is to consume it no matter what. Well, and now let's go to our heroine of the circulation. Do you want to know? The most powerful, our most recommended one today, I'm talking about vitamin E. Vitamin E is an essential nutrient with antioxidant properties. This means that it protects body tissue from damage caused by substances called free radicals. Free radicals can damage cells, tissues, and organs. In addition, it can influence blood circulation and cardiovascular health, including that of the legs and feet. This vitamin that goes beyond its immediate effects on blood vessels is a fat-soluble vitamin essential for the functioning of the body due to its antioxidant action and its anti-inflammatory properties that help improve the immune system, skin, and hair, as well as prevent some diseases such as atherosclerosis and Alzheimer's disease, and, watch out, it is believed to play an important role in certain conditions related to aging. Vitamin E protects endothelial cells, the cells that line blood vessels, and can be damaged by oxidative stress. Vitamin E protects these cells, which can help maintain healthy blood vessels and good circulation in the legs and feet. At the same time, it helps form red blood cells and widens blood vessels to prevent blood from clotting inside them. One of its key mechanisms of action involves nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a crucial role in dilating blood vessels, allowing them to relax and expand. This dilation, also known as vasodilation, not only improves circulation, but also helps lower blood pressure, further benefiting cardiovascular health. But how can we include this vitamin in our daily routine? The best way to obtain the daily requirement of vitamin E is by consuming food sources. Vitamin E is found in the following foods: corn vegetable oils, such as wheat germ, sunflower, safflower, corn, and soybean oils; nuts, such as almonds, peanuts, and hazelnuts; seeds, such as sunflower seeds; green leafy vegetables, such as spinach and broccoli; fortified breakfast cereals, fruit juices, margarines, and fortified spreads. When I say enriched or fortified, I mean that vitamins such as vitamin E have been added to the foods. As you can see, these 4 vitamins, and especially the last one we have just mentioned, provide innumerable benefits, not only for your circulatory health, but for your health in general. As the Vein Disease Center once again states, vitamins B3, C, K, and E can promote blood circulation in the body, helping to protect the blood vessels, strengthening them, and preventing problems such as swelling and inflammation of the veins. However, although these vitamins provide us with the necessary nutrients for a balanced diet, it is important to follow healthy habits in our daily routine and some super important recommendations to get the relief that our legs and feet need. Do you want to know these recommendations? First, it is recommended to place your legs high, using a small step of 20 centimeters high while you remain seated. In the same position, you can make circular movements with your ankles or flexion and extension. It is advisable to do this for 10 minutes in 2 sets of 15 repetitions. The second, another exercise, is to walk on tiptoe. It has been observed that it is always good, but doing it on a soft or irregular surface will stimulate the musculature of the sole of the foot, which will contribute to a greater stability of the muscular forces, according to the specialists. Thirdly, it is advisable to shower the feet and knees with cold water, running upwards for 3 minutes. According to the doctors, cold water causes a contraction of both capillaries and muscles, improving the blood circulation in that area. Fourth, before going to sleep, massage your legs. To do this, start from the bottom up, squeezing gently and continuously, or intermittently, up to the thigh. In short, my friends, constant small changes have a profound impact on circulatory health. And if you liked this video, like it, share it with your friends. I'm sure someone will thank you. I invite you to watch the following video.